Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. So today tonight I'm gonna get ready for a date night, or what you call a date night in the married life. So I thought maybe I would film my look today. It's probably gonna be a very simple, subtle look, nothing crazy, just something subtle. We're actually gonna go out to like this adult arcade where you get to zip line and laser tag. So it's going to be very sporty look, nothing crazy, matte eyeshadows, and just, you know, just a simple date night look. So hopefully you guys can take some tips from my look for tonight and incorporate it into your date night when you have a date with your special someone. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I got all my makeup laid out here, and yes, I'm filming in my closet. The office is complete, but I actually work in that office when I do work from home, and right now there's nothing but a desk, my chair, my computer in there. So if I were to film in there, or if Alyssa and I were to film in there, it'll be so echoey that you guys would not enjoy our video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna push my hair back. I had these for a while, my little cat ears. I thought today would be a good time to use it just to keep my hair out the way. I obviously would not wear these out in public. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the Pro Prep, this LA Girl Pro Prep. This is a high definition smoothing face primer, and I just put it like in my T-zone area. You know, it's really cheap. I don't know how much I paid for it, but I got it at Ulta a few months ago, and I only use it every once in a while when I do go out and put more makeup than usual. And I literally took a very, very small size. Next, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with my favorite Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I literally take very, very small amount. I hope you guys enjoy us filming separately like this. I mean, it's better this way, I think, because we could get more content out there for you guys, and Alyssa can put what she feels is what she feels she's good at, and I can put what I like to do, which is makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and start my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use the Morphe 35N palette. This is the one that I got for my birthday from one of my girlfriends, and they're all matte eyeshadows. I mean, it's a great palette, so you can see all matte colors. Let's go in first with a neutral shade to set the entire eyelid. I'm gonna be looking to my right a lot because that's where I have my mirror. Alright, now that we set our lids, we can go and do our transition shade. All about the blending. Circle motions, windshield wiper. Circle, windshield wiper. Alright, I'm going to go with a little pinky shade because I think I'm going to wear like a peachy shirt. That looks pretty. There's a little bit of fallout, but that I can fix that with my when I do my makeup. Alright, next I think I'm gonna just deepen the outer V with a brown shade. So I only went in with 3 shades, and I think I am good. I don't want to overdo it, especially since this is not like a crazy wild night out. It's just very subtle, you know, like hang out, chill. So you just want to keep your makeup kind of subtle. Now I'm going to go ahead and outline the top part of my eyes with my NYX eyeliner. We're not going to say the word because, you know, I can't pronounce it. So it's just spelled F-A-U-X, and that's the shade. And it's like a deep purple, and I really like the way it looks on my eyes. So I'm just going to do a little line. Nothing crazy. Next I'm going to do my waterline. I can start putting on my foundation. since I already primed, and we're going to go with very light foundation. using the Healthy Elixir CoverGirl that I used earlier on my other video. And I went back to my Real Techniques Beauty Blender because this one is still good and I don't want to, you know, start using other ones if I still have a good one. Moving on to Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer under my eyes. It's eyebrow time, and no, I haven't gotten my eyebrows retouched, nor have I gone to get them threaded, so they're just kind of like all over the place right now, but that's okay. I don't want to touch them because I don't like to mess them up for the girls who do my eyebrows, so I just let them grow. Next is mascara, and I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. This one's almost done. For my birthday, one of my girlfriends, you know, I got a lot of girlfriends. One of my friends got me a whole set of mascaras. I mean, I think it came with, I don't know, maybe 10. So I'll be using that, and I'm excited to use it. Now I'm going to go and do my bronzer. And I'm going to use this Tarte Pro Glow palette, another gift of mine. So I'm going to use the color Sculpt to carve up my cheekbones. I'm not putting a lot of bronzer either. And a little bit for my forehead. Now I'm going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush that I've been using for the past couple videos, and it's just gonna give a very little bit of color to my face. Nothing crazy. Now it's time to highlight, and I'm gonna go in with I like to just mix up all these highlights. They're like, it's Lit, Strobe, Stunner, and Fire. I literally go in all of them. And highlight just a little bit. Let's go and do our lower lash line. I'm just going to pick up some of the colors that I used earlier. And I'm going to take my blending brush that I use. And I always do this after I put my mascara on because sometimes I get mascara at the top of my eyes, my eyelids, and I want to, you know, remove it. Then I'm going to go in with that darker, deeper brown color and just deepen up the crease, the corner crease or the V part of my eyes to bring out that color. Alright, we got to do the bottom lashes now. I'm going to set everything before I put my lipstick on. And what I've been doing lately, this is the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. I don't spray it directly on my face anymore because this pump is not so great. So what I do is I take the beauty blender or this beauty sponge and I actually spray the sponge. Oh, well, let's try that again. I spray the sponge and then I just dab my face with it to just set everything in and push like all the product in my face. Alright, next I'm going to do my lipstick, and I'm using a brand new lipstick that my friend gave me for Christmas. This was a Christmas gift, not a birthday gift. And it was the set. It's the new Makeup Revolution sets. This is in the color Noble, and I mean, I haven't put it on my lips, but I did a test on my hands, and when I tell you the color is like actually like gorgeous. So I'm hoping that is just as gorgeous on my lips as it was on the swatch of my hand. So my lips are outlined. I mean, look at that color. It's just like beautiful. Now let's go in with the actual matte lipstick. Gorgeous. I love it. And I'm done. There we go. Just gotta flat iron my hair and put my clothes on, and I am ready. Ready for day night. This is the completed look. Very simple, very easy. You saw, I think I did it in 20 minutes. I did a full face in 20 minutes. So makeup is not that hard to do. So hopefully you guys could take a tip or a trick from mine and incorporate it into yours. And the more you do it, the more practice you get at your makeup, the easier it becomes, and it just becomes second nature. And it's like you could do your makeup with your eyes closed, but you need your eyes to look at your face, so don't close them. Alright beauties, that's the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you guys learned something new to incorporate to your date night look. And if you did pick up something from my look or my tutorial, comment below and let me know. And you know, I know we don't have many followers right now, but the ones that are following us, shoot us some ideas just so that we have something continuing to grow and think of what we want to film next. You know, your input is always appreciated so that we can put more content out there for you guys. Until next time beauties, thanks for watching. Bye.